Welcome to AdventureSphere. This channel is dedicated to missing people who are missing with a vehicle. In the process of creating this database, we are creating a volunteer sonar search and recovery dive team to search for the people featured on our channel. Our services are free of charge. We ask you to consider subscribing, watch our content, and help spread awareness of our endeavor. The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline can be reached by dialing 988 or 1-800-273-8255. Calls are free and confidential. Every year, over 600,000 individuals go missing in the United States, according to the National Missing and Unidentified Person System. While many are quickly found and returned to their families, others remain missing as years go by. This is Antonio's story. So Antonio de Jesus Rosas, then 25, is missing from Lynwood, Washington. His last date of contact was this database says Sunday, September 19th, 2010, when he left his home around 6:30 in the evening to run an errand and never returned. He may also use the last name Miranda and may have vanished on September 16th. All the databases that I've looked at have said the 16th except for the first one. Let's see here. So Antonio drives a two-door 1999 or 2000 Nissan Frontier with a king cab. It's red in color. It has a California license plate on it, but it's unknown of what that serial number is. He purchased the truck approximately 1 week before he vanished. It was most likely purchased private party and just hadn't been registered or titled to him. There's two police departments that are investigating. The first one is Kirkland. Their phone number is 425-587-3400. His case number there is 1036951. And then the Lynwood Police Department is also investigating. They can be reached at 425-670-5600. Antonio's case number with Lynwood is L107847. His wife says that it is very unusual for him to behave like this. The weather that day was fairly nice. The high was 67, the low was 59. There was rain that day. Let's see here. The sunrise was at 6:49 a.m. and it set at 7:21 p.m. So it was lightly raining when he left home, and Seattle's known for their rain that they get. I'd like to say Antonio was conditioned to drive in the rain, but he got this truck a week or so before he vanished. Had he driven in trucks before, the center of gravity can feel a little bit different sometimes in it. And then what were the conditions of the tires on the truck that he bought? They might have been sort of balding and might have made it easier for him to enter into a lake or river or something, and something we need to look at. I do have some other questions. If his friends or family see this, if they can answer any of them, it might help us narrow down our search area, as well as any other search teams that would want to look for him. The biggest help, I think, right now would be if we could get the coordinates of his last cell phone ping, and then what was his exact home address and work address, even though he may not work there or the business might have gone out of business. If we know the address, we can put a search parameter on that as well. Did he attend school? Did he put any time off requests in at work or perhaps his resignation? Does he volunteer anywhere? Attend church? What kind of hobbies or social groups is he into? And then in his downtime, does he prefer to go out or stay home? Is he an early bird or a night owl? Did he give any possessions away in the month or two before he disappeared? Does he prefer driving on the main roads, highways, and freeways, or does he prefer the surface streets like in neighborhoods and stuff? Did he put any calls into a AAA, his mechanic, or his car insurance provider in a day or two before missing? Did the police departments check the automated license plate readers for the California plates? And then does he have any chronic health issues such as being diabetic, epileptic? Did he have any recent head trauma? And then does he have any items that he always carries with him? Perhaps a multi-tool, a pocket knife, water bottle, ring, or necklace, perhaps? And then what was the place of his last verified financial transaction? A date and time might help if we are unable to get his cell phone pin coordinates. Also, if the phone company won't give it to his wife, I believe she can have the police department subpoena the phone records and then look at the ping on there. So next I'm going to share some places with my blessing so Antonio can be reunited with his family regardless who higher powers work through. The description box has our email address if you'd like to share insight on any case, know someone missing with a vehicle and would like them featured on our channel and searched for, or to donate equipment. I'm getting a little bit parched here, I'm sorry. So the first place that we've got is Lake Bollinger, and there's a boat ramp at that lake. Echo Lake. Ronald Bog Park also has a boat ramp. Marina Beach Park. Edmonds Ferry Terminal. He might have gone into water there not realizing it was a ferry launch. There's Lund's Gulch. Might be a little shallow, but worth a shot at least. Picnic Point Lake. Lake Stickney has a boat ramp. Martha Lake has a boat ramp. Sammamish River, and that has a Kenmore boat launch on it. Then there's Lake Serene with a boat launch. And then the bigger bodies of water would be the Puget Sound and Lake Washington. I didn't find any within a 5 or so mile radius, but I can certainly re-examine them when we get back into town there. So I mentioned a little bit earlier that every day approximately 1,600 people go missing in the United States. Your donation brings closure to families with missing loved ones, like Antonio, by helping us secure equipment and getting us to locations all around the United States where missing people may be found using cutting-edge sonar technology. Our mobile unit is able to assist families in small towns that need access to the high-end sonar equipment and diving services. We can also assist large cities as volunteer adjunct professionals. We help families, area government, environmental cleanup efforts, and other public safety entities free of charge. When you donate to AdventureSphere, you ensure that volunteers can continue to help locate those who have lost their voice. Thank you for whatever support you can give us. If you'd like to help Antonio's family find him, please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell to receive progress reports. There's about 4 minutes left. I'll let the video play out if you'd like to watch it. If you see something I missed, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and remember that we love you.